As habal-habal or the motorcycle taxis operate under the provision of pilot study, some motorcycle taxi riders fear losing their jobs as the pilot study will end on May 31 this year. According to MC Taxi riders, it is a huge loss to them as it became their primary livelihood.
Maraming mawawalan ng trabaho. Katulad sa akin, nagpo-full time ako. Ito lang talaga inaasahan kong trabaho.
Pagka nawala yan, maraming mawawalan ng trabaho. Yung iba, malamang mag-i-illegal na lang yan, sir. Maghahabal, ganun ang labas niyan, sir.
Land Transportation Franchising and Regulatory Board or LTFRB Chairman and MC Taxi Technical Working Group Head Attorney Chofilo Guadis III said when the pilot study end, all operating MC Taxi should end operations as well.
Theoretically po, pag natapos ang pilot study, everything will have to stop. Pati po yung paggalaw ng mga motorcycle taxis all over the Philippines will have to stop.
However, they will appeal to the Congress that while the law is being crafted, MC Taxi operation should continue. According to Chairman Guadis, it is possible that MC Taxi operation may expand to other MC Taxi company and other provinces. It may also include those far-flung areas where internet access is limited. MC Taxi operators will just coordinate with their local government units for their legalization.
Mukhang ang Kongreso po ay papunta sa isang batas po that would make motorcycle taxi available po hindi lang sa highly urbanized cities but in almost all areas of the country.
The House bill to legalize the motorcycle taxis is already on the second reading in the lower house. While the bill is pending, LTFRB will not open another slot in Metro Manila to add more units of MC Taxi. JP Nunez, UNTV, News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.